Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be showing you the process of making palm kernel oil using our palm kernel seeds that we got from these palm fruits. So after making oil from the palm fruits, we are left with the seed which we use to make a different kind of oil. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Well, come along and let's make oil. So right here we have our empty saucepan. I'll then go ahead and pour the palm kernel. After some time, you can see the oil. So that's what we got from the first batch. Now go ahead and prepare the second batch. So finally, our final product is here. So this is the oil we got from the palm kernels. And there's someone who uses it in her hair, so she's the one going to come for it. But that's how it looks like. So palm kernel is mostly used for hair. So the dark color is not so much of a worry because it goes in the hair. You can see how it looks like. It's still oil. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.